What is going on, Lake Pro Tackle fam? Hope you're having a wonderful day today. As you can see here, what do you got? Oh, it's the police. It's the police. I was wondering, what you were doing. Our second drop of the police are here. These are from DRT Division Rebel Tackle, straight from Japan, y'all. These are 40+ foot diving crankbaits coming in at around 3 ounces, around 8 inches long. Now, you know, the main shad profile, the body of this bait isn't that big. It's about 5 inches. So a nice healthy meal for anything from like 2 pounds up for largemouth. Of course, you might have some spotted bass, big magnum spots hit this, but you know, last drop, the first initial drop of these DRT police, we only had 30 of them and they went out in a minute and a half. This drop, we have 96 total of these DRT police, and we're gonna see how fast these go out of this shop. Of course, we got the same colors. You can check them out on the website, lakeprotackle.com. The drop went on today when this video was uploaded at 10 o'clock. And if you didn't see that, make sure you go follow the Instagram and Facebook. You know, I'm posting there. Whenever we do the drops, I'm going to let you know. But we got 96 units of these DRT police in here. We're expecting them to go extremely, extremely quick again. Just want to reiterate some colors in case there are some left over on the website. Biwasaki, it's a great clear water color, clear top, shiny bottom on it. This is going to be great for your ultra clear reservoirs, especially something like Lake Biwa, where it's kind of like the Lake Biwa Wakasaki. Pro Blue is going to be another great, really cloudy color. It's got a matte finish to it. It's going to have a little violet, a little orange, a little tan, little just kind of ghostiness in there. Laser Specs is going to be the brightest of the bunch. It's just straight hollow foil. It looks really, really cool. Of course, it's the same color that comes in like a Tiny Clash or a K9. Some other ones you might be familiar with in Tiny Clash K9 would be Queen, little matte chartreuse going along the back of this bait, along with a pearl side and underbelly. Next up, one of my favorites is going to be Honey Shad. Honey Shad's going to be using a tan back with a pearl side. And finally, Sexy Shad, which is a little bit different than your traditional, you know, like Strike King Sexy Shads, where it's got a very dark back, very vibrant royal blue. Of course, you got the chartreuse line going down and the gizzard spot on it. These are all amazing, amazing colors, and if there are some left over, definitely go snag them from the website. You know, these are very exclusive items. You know, not a lot of shops get these, as well as not a lot of quantity. So make sure you're heading over to the website. Hopefully this video doesn't go up too far past the launch time, which would have been 10 o'clock CST. I'm probably going to try to get this uploaded around 12:30. So if there are some left up there, make sure to go get them. Of course, we got a bunch of brand new tackle as well. If you're keeping up with the Instagram, you've probably seen it. The Berkeley Stink Bug, new craws. Got some new reels, of course. Got a whole bunch of cool stuff. And I've got a bunch of cool videos coming down the pipe for y'all. So be on the lookout for those. Just want to let you know, again, if you did miss the drop, there might still be some over on the website, so definitely go check them out. Again, 6 different colors, DRT Police, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time at Lake Pro Tackle. See you guys.